The 2007 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive, floor mats, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.